Hello guys, so I just found this girl just scammed me. But yeah. I'll show you guys the messages. So yeah. Hold on. Let me move the screen right here. Okay. You guys can just read them. I'm not gonna read them. But yeah. Okay, so yeah, she scammed me. She acting like she's okay, but she's not. Sorry guys. Autocorrect. Okay, explosive. And then she gifted herself. I'm gonna keep the chat up here so when I exit out, make sure she don't block me. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right here. So tell me, I don't care, okay? And she gifted herself, hold on guys, see, she was just my account. So she gifted her 2 things. This is an animation I had. That animation and not closed. So yeah, she basically just like really scammed me. So yeah guys. Yeah, I don't really care if she blocks me, because she's getting exposed right now, and I'm on hide, so nobody can text me except for her. So yeah, guys. So yeah, she basically literally just scammed me. Like, who does that? And she posted something on the thing. See guys, I did not post that. Okay guys, so everybody go report her. Everybody go report Abigail Smartsky. She acting like she don't care, but she probably do. Yeah, she says what? I think she like has brain damage or something, because you don't know what if your account gets locked, but I don't know, but yeah. Okay, guys, what's her? I'm gonna try to find out her backup so I can get locked. She's lucky she not be a first one. So everybody go report her, and I'm gonna try to get her other account. And I actually do know it because I blocked it. So yeah, for information. So yeah, okay. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna handle this. I'll be right back. So this girl, she basically literally is like threatening me. So yeah, this girl is really getting on my nerves, so like, I swear. She really is. I'm gonna